I'm gonna do one more, just there we go. So there's hardly any blue in the image. It's up there, very top shadows. Do your that was a nice whistle, yep. And it didn't wobble very much. That was very nice. It's nice control. There we go.
One more.
You can do it, yeah. We're doing 3 strokes for you. Just like going through 230 mesh. Okay, there we go. Oh.
The final piece?
Yep, nope, we got one more. This is the gray. Now we have that to give us all of our shadows. Now we'll come back and add our highlights, and then I will add that 3-dimensional look to it. So right now it looks kind of flat. This is also called the key white in simulated process, because often it's the key to locking a whole image together. Maybe not quite so much pressure. This is highlight white. You don't need as much. Do just a little more pressure than you need on the color. There we go. If you think you're doing too much and it's flexing the blade for you, there we go. See, because you cleaned the screen, you didn't leave any shadows behind, so that's good pressure. And then just slow down a little bit. 1/1000, 2/1000. If you want to put a little more white down, there we go. Beautiful. And we'll do one more stroke. And now we'll see what Tupac and Biggie look like together. Yeah, they're pretty badass, ask me. Yep. The faux wood paneling in the background and all. Split face. Fine job.